very funny. Please, huge round of applause for Mr. Ratan Lele!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ratan Lele, and I promise you, I am not a call center operator. I also promise you, I am not an illegal immigrant anymore. Actually, I could have become a male stripper, but I found more exciting job than that. I am a chartered accountant. When I came to this country many years ago, I wanted to join the British Army, but they turned me down on the grounds they did not need any dwarfs. So I sued them for hurting my feelings. In their defense, they said I was shortlisted. There is a general perception that accountants are dull, very, very dull, and very dull. I agree with that. But on top of that, I feel accountants are the biggest bunch of tossers I have ever come across. My parents knew that I was going to be an accountant because I, as a child, was very dull. But apparently, my first spoken words were when I pointed towards my uncle from my pram and I had shouted, "He's a tax dodger!" It is not very easy to get into accountancy. There are stringent requirements. When I wanted to join the accountancy college, they sent me an application form. It said, "Answer these questions honestly." I did. Describe your character, pompous and full of self-importance. Describe your hobbies, blowing up blow-up dolls so other accountants can shag them. Describe your other interests, none whatsoever. Describe your present circumstances, very lonely. Then they called me for an interview. For some reason, the interviewer kept nodding off. I had to wake him a couple of times. After interview was finished and he woke up, he said, I was ideal accountant material. And offered me scholarship there and then. At accountancy college, they taught us how to charge shitload of money to our clients. Now that I am a partner in a shitty firm of accountants, let me tell you how it works. We get a lot of documents and papers from our clients. For factual reasons and ease of reference, we call it crap. This technical term is for internal use only. Normally we send letters to clients. We are so grateful, thank you for sending your stuff. We'll process it shortly. But one of the smucks from our offices who had a grudge on me wrote to one of our clients, "Thank you for sending in your crap. It will be processed whenever we feel like it. And then you'll get a big fat bill. And your crap does not smell a bit." We do not really like storing all that crap we receive in our offices. So we scan it, and after scanning it, we destroy it by shredding it. We have appointed several crap assistants in our offices. But they keep on shading the wrong crap. So in the end, we cannot distinguish between the real crap and the shit. Because we get such a lot of crap, some of it is outsourced to India. Crap in, crap out. India promises a turd around of 2 weeks. When the turd does not come round, we phone them up, we say, "Hey, where is our turd?" They say, "You know the turd you sent us? It was real shit. How did you manage that?" We blame our crap assistants. We then send this highly processed crap to the taxman. Have you heard the slogan, "Tax does not have to be taxing"? What a load of bollocks. Never mind, we have made good friends with the taxman. So much so, we are on first name terms. We call our taxman Dick. No offense to any Dicks present in this establishment. You're good, you're good. Eventually, we get a letter from the taxman. You know the crap you sent us on behalf of your client last year? It stinks. We want to investigate further into that crime. So can you and your client come to the tax office for an interview? When we inform our client about this letter, they really go ape shit. Then we go to the tax office. Boy, oh boy, I thought accountant's offices smelled. They don't even have decent furniture to sit on. So they offer these stools, very hard and smelly stools to sit on. During the interview, the taxman grabs hold of our client's balls and squeezes them very hard. Our client starts to scream in agony. Then we realize we must do something about this. We are getting paid for this shit. So we shout at the taxman, "Hey, remember, tax does not have to be taxing." He lets go. Then we come out of the tax office, minus 1 or 2 balls. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how corporate tax works. So if anyone out there needs their crap turning into shit or vice versa, please see me afterwards. In the meantime, God bless and good night. Thank you very much.